Futicoloso. Yeah, Joseph wacho gimoro ma I'd also picked, wacho about lack of budget and also reason gimomiyo gigi nobedo created. Ineno. Koro ing'ena ila nikech atemo ng'iyo one of the ministries kaka wacho ni an be aja tourism. Koro ang'iyo ka ni wan gi Kenya Tourism Board. To wan gi brand Kenya. Market Kenya. The main mandate of Kenya Tourism Board is to market Kenya. And then you also have brand Kenya, market Kenya. Remember brand Kenya and I'll tell you why I'm bringing this. So ariugi upacho wadwani. Iudoni brand Kenya ni en go fees mamare. Mo chulo rent, government chulo ne rent. Even though Kenya Tourism Board, Tourism Fund, nigi building kacha, to kata ministry, oknenia. Brand Kenya gini wadhi kama wane gi building cha. Matini gi chulo rent in another building. Gin gi staff, market Kenya. Kenya Tourism Board, its main mandate is to come up with policies kaka wanyalo market Kenya as a tourism destination. Tiudonia, wanyaka gi tourism what? Kenya Tourism Development Corporation. Another state agency. Timango regulate Macha kelo policy ma regulate. So what are the secretariat doing? Mabe officiore. Koremo mianyero nekech. I was looking at it like, why do we need to merge these things? For efficiency. Nyaka nejuli gishuru citizen, I think. And KTN citizen. But brand Kenya no lal. Julie mane gibiro gi brand Kenya gi ker machon. As koro mano no rumo kamano. But yet it is running kendo Julie still an ambassador. So I don't remember the last time Anawinjo Katako worry about anything to do with tourism. Kore yudoka, there are so many of these things, Ma kaka no wadwani wachoni yudoka ipenyo ni to bende Kenya this save. Yes, Kenya this save on operational expenses. Tok the local uchumi. Nikech mano keka kigero uchumi. But yes, the country should save significantly. Niketibo yudo ni kingiyo tourism mano nitie kamano. Kibiri irango sports. Tibo yudo ni wan gia. Kenya Film Commission. One another one Kenya Film Classification Board. What are these two doing? Which is so different. Ibo yudo ni wan gi sports Kenya to wan gi Kenya Sports. Kenya Academy of Sports. Why can't Kenya Academy of Sports be a department under Sports Kenya? Asokoro watimango office cha waloro again operational expenses otimbe nadi obedo